Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. PM Shehbaz Sharif lands in New York to attend UNGA session. US threatens sanction on entire ICC over Israel war crimes probe. West Russia clashed at UN after incidents in NATO airspace. Let's look into details. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has arrived in New York to participate in the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly. In his address to the United Nations General Assembly, PM Shehbaz Sharif will highlight Pakistan's position on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute and the question of Palestine, as well as present Pakistan's perspective on key global issues. The PM will draw the attention of the international community towards the grave crisis in Gaza and call for decisive action to end the suffering of the Palestinians. He will also highlight Pakistan's perspective on the regional security situation, as well as other issues of international concern, including climate change, terrorism, Islamophobia, and sustainable development. The United States is considering imposing sanctions as soon as this week against the entire International Criminal Court, putting the court's day-to-day operations in jeopardy in retaliation for investigations of suspected Israeli war crimes. Washington has already imposed targeted sanctions on several prosecutors and judges at the court, but naming the court itself in the sanctions list would be a major escalation. Six sources with knowledge of the matter are speaking on condition of anonymity to discuss a sensitive diplomatic issue that has not been publicly announced. Said a decision on such anti-sanctions was expected soon. A source said court officials had already held emergency internal meetings to discuss the impact of potential blanket sanctions. NATO allies accused Russia at the United Nations on Monday of violating the alliance airspace in Estonia and Poland, actions that Britain said risked triggering an armed conflict. Confronting Russia at a meeting of the United Nations Security Council, Britain Foreign Secretary Yvette Cooper said, "Your reckless actions risk direct armed confrontation between NATO and Russia. Our alliance is defensive, but be under no illusion. We stand ready to defend NATO's skies and NATO's territory. If we need to confront planes operating in NATO space without permission, then we'll do so," she said. Estonia said on Friday that three Russian MiG-31 fighter jets had entered Estonian airspace without permission and stayed for a total of 12 minutes before they were forced to withdraw in an episode that Western officials said was designed to test NATO's readiness and resolve. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.